Sompa dia sasiso emeni die Ajuma yesini ni aketi enti usumo asumyo aduna be ma wanya aketi apa ewa sasiso ewiasim basum na wasum ye dia fanyina mase wansum bisa usum ye ma aketi apo eni die di Sompa
FM
aketi apa Sompa dia sasiso emeni die Sompa FM, Sompa TV, market apo, Sompa die, M.I.N.G. Bichim wafidi eneto Sompa FM and TV, nebema weniji, eni aketi apa, nebema weniji o, sabra boy mo dajini. Be natural, so no dear when ya Bemma when it dear. I catch your panso come, and market your pa, our fiddy in it or some pa, FM and TV. Why?
Yenina yet, yes, some pa.
Yasim some pa mani, Jenny, I catch your pana, no, Sompa dia sitting moon, Emma Ketiapa. Ye no, my moon, some Makudia moon, some Dina, make us say a book. It is some near just to send Dina, Sompa dia Bama, Sompa FM, Emma Ketiapa, Sompa TV. M.I.N.G. Sompa TV M.I.N.G. Oh, wisdom ni mitie Sompa FM he Sompa TV.
Sompa FM.
Dumienu abo aha aya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Enya yankonkonko yanam wankran yi yasan etwagu ewo Kumase ayiko 100.9 ena fei Sompa Kumase nankasa ya no futebrebe wonmo a ewo ho nyina esua no na wode won hodom no eye Sompa 93.1 FM Adafopa Radio enso ewo Paris 101.1 eya Sompa Takwa 103.3 ewo Takrade 106.1 ewo Tachima 98.9 ewo Sunyai Sompa 90.7 ewo Nkranza enafe 101.3 enso ewo Doma udiko da neso ye twagu eya Sompa FM enafe ye twagu ewo Facebook ne so enonso eya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra YouTube live no so yeginam denden eya Sompa FM live afa ya kruche nsem ni nyina dia kogu www.sompaonline.com mepacho ensem wa ede nam no edoso pa hyenenso se edwuma kuo bia dawroma ene ede kase yi ebre wo eno eye secure sanitary pad wono ene wa lazy miam denden ama kase no aye secured ena endpoint homeopathy clinic enso ehwe akire na end ho ni nyina no wa secure no kama ama bibia atimi akonkan ensem wa yede ma wo awie yi ni edimu akotene no bi enie
Ghana Armed Forces edwumakuo no biaye anankrabata wo mhapomdin ensem so den krata aba ya wo moches wo maye krado so wo mampfo apomdin wo beboa pa wa bra na sifo yi ye nhyeda ehunu ne ekọ ene ne ebe mu nsem ye de bremu
sanso ena nesifo ne wona woje a wo ya wo call strike no Wanum di asemde bi abetu dwa nanso bibi esan etechri
na wa pomdin komonu mu ano manso nkran chip compound ho wan chese ba bi adure de abanya ambamu a wani wu
Omampeni John Dramani Mahama edia to dwa se ebrewie dru se empuntu edi empuntu die dodo no a e-comment fi do mantem.
Agric Minister Yakase ya no wo bontoa e wa Asante mantem ye behwe ne amaniboni Kwame Redu abonkomo e de afa ho.
GJ for ana wo ka kire mampani se in fact wa ya de papa e de ho abasobo e no de manoim.
Akorin Sarfo enkabomukuo Wamu abekasa ya wamu chese wambeti etunya ni enti a wamu tu saa na mono agise SOMPA kase yeso na obete no
Wangana city ya bane se wo ba betete e de free fam go wa motono ne obete afri mu no IMF se eya na motu pa na aban no etu
ensam no ahodo bebre eka wenum ho na nuanom miensa ya je adwa ya yede mu nkyiremu ebrewo gibrei na yenum ebesomo na wiei no eyemme Obrempon na kwaku ampoma mene
Ajua asare enafe
Ohine ire mame ekua yebowa esia mabronya abrewetia
Yes, nsem na se ede amamu Ghana Armed Forces ya asa dom adwumekuo no ne fa ye hye apomuden ensem so ene wo mede abetu dwase beya na wotwe kakra ni a anesefo ene wo momoje awo ati atua ewo maimu na apomuden ho nsem akwakwa bibie wo ho ye o manfo dodo no a wo mokọ ayaresabia hodo kọje ayarehwe no wo mbekọ no wo ho akoka adwa mu sanse obi kura ni ho ya wo behwe wo mo na nkampese wo mo ede wo madane ama dokitafo na wo mo ato apomuden no so ede afiri ho ne senti Ghana Armed Forces for ebo amane se wo mo eprono aye krado wo mabiebie ni nyina ato honom se wo bibiara a wo yade no wo mre no wo mamagia ayarehwe wo ma ayaresabia ahodo a etwari ahia wo mai enyina emu na wo mo se critical care ni emergency unit ahodo nyina wo mo abiebie wo kọ wo mo nkrabata ba ko a eye Air Force Officers Mess ya eno ewon kran ha eye adwuma den na wo mo so ma hye ne so ahunu se 37 military hospital emergency unit ho ye kasai wo mo ede niema nro akade ahodo ede efumigate ehonom no ebema ehonom ate ne ebekunkunkunkum a mawa bia se de beya wo betimi anya akwanya kese no na wo ba begya yerehwe nyina obi a etimi edi sa adwuma no enti sesi ade Chief of Defence Staff Lieutenant General William Japan wono enedi dom no animu ma wo mkohwe se sa fumigation exercise no bibia ebetimi akoso no maklekre bia ya obi a woyare eba honom a wono so wo behwe na napomuden ho nsem etimi akonkan na commanding officer ewo 37 military hospital Lieutenant Colonel Alex Abiti wono ene SOMPA kase akasa ya wachire nsem no mu akwa achire
Senamo and correct. When the strike, since time that strike started, we have been open to operations. Little overwhelming, but Kakra Bekimaga, Yabwa, Obi or Bebemudia, since I started in we said Ghana Armed Forces medical facility almost every week in the war, Ayasabia, Bibia, yellow units, the hospitals are almost the size of a polyclinic. But tested na kwetse etia ewumu na to maybe say obenya the onum eno artillery unit onum ye 7 MRS na sa o kota kradia 4 MRS onum maybe so Air Force unit o kokumasia we MRS wo naval base ya need for no so mo similar hospitals and across the whole country almost every region obenya any of our facilities and they are all open for operations. I said there's no discrimination, and for us, we are available to them. The military decision applies in our healthcare as well. We are very friendly. But your friends and relatives here, so we are nice, friendly, and all those who have encountered us would attest to that. So they can feel free and come in.
And we no was here to that nipa dodo no a wo madwene yo mo se na military hospital de me metimi akwa jare hwe wo honom wo se enye sa akora nete ade ye different efra ya sabia hodo ni uniform no a wo mo hye e wo mo aya sabia honom no enti no Lieutenant Colonel Alex Abiti wono na ye commanding officer e wo 37 military hospital ne eni okuti yi
na se wonom be feel free ade hye ye wo my Ghana ma se no wa kire mu wa Sarfo hospital no ena nurse for any midwife for one kabo mu ko ya waka se wo strike no wo kire se enroda esan se kasa wo ho a eya na entiantiamu ba pe na abehu se ebufo hyewe tekire ne mom kasa bokode akomato yemu eba ninte no enroda mrahye bedwa ya wonom ehwe apomde ho nsam so ranking member yero doctor you are free ye ne manfo etonsa e de free midwives and nurse free wonom akandifo ene wonom kosi edwa e ma no bo ano sansa asembie ni ho a sebie son sebie ku ye de sekan e na edwa ne mom anu ya ene betimi atretre ne nte no enam nhye bude kokwa mu de ya okodi ye nte no ama asem de atadwefo wa Ghana fo yati bi de ena no pay na wode wani ekiremu e wa Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association one president Obapa Orayire Perpetua Oforiampofo wa friend central phone shemu e de nsemu atuje kyese nyakopo boa efiri watchna ekọ 14 June wonum nyina besa akọ na wakwakwatoa wondwuma se sanse enhyemudie no asempa bi efrechire atofom.
Considering all that has transpired from 2nd June 2025 in relation to the pleas of the good people of Ghana, pleas from our patients, and the timely intervention of the Parliamentary Select Committee on Health, the leadership of the association wishes to state as follows. The engagement held with the Parliamentary Select Committee on Health and other interested parties on Thursday, 12 June 2025 was very fruitful and has paved the way for an amicable resolution of the impasse with our employer concerning the implementation of our collective agreements. 2. In view of point 1 above, the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association's industrial action initiated on 2nd June 2025 is hereby suspended, pending the outcome of the follow-up meeting scheduled for 26 June 2025. 3. We call on our dear nurses and midwives to resume their normal shift duties from Saturday, 14th June 2025. And we wish to assure you that we will not rest on our oars until the collective agreement is fully implemented.
Abusiania yetini nkan wono any president edema Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association no Orayire ampofo na no disem no wama no ampem wada woto mo ekonanim ekresa semi ba ye no na eye won man kasa ye die ho nsem ene Ghana fo nkan kronti ene ma wotu sa na mo no na so nipa bi no mu gina benkum ni nifa ya watoto bo baba keso sa ene amanyoko bi anasa amanyosem bi efrafrem wo so obi obeka sa asem ni bia ne sebi na wonim ne awoka wo de ne ye mu ena wo penta na mo na wotu ye no enye politics asem bia ena ebefrafraye.
Having monitored the misinformation, disinformation, and the propaganda that have surrounded our strike action, the leadership of the association would like to set some records straight on the following. 1. We are nurses and midwives trained to provide essential health services to the Ghanaian population, and matters affecting us which are brought formally to the attention of the employer must be treated with the urgency it deserves and in good faith. 2. As nurses and midwives, we do not take delight in seeing our patients suffer. However, we cannot take good care of others when the system does not take good care of us. 3. The GRNMA is a non-partisan professional association and trade union and the holder of the collective bargaining certificate covering all nurses and midwives in Ghana. In its 65 years of existence, the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association has never aligned with any political party in Ghana. Rather, it has worked with every government since 1960 in building a stronger and more resilient health system responsive to the health needs of Ghanaians, whilst at the same time we representing the interests of nurses and midwives in matters related to their welfare and general working conditions.
Abusiania yeti ye eye Orayire Perpetua ampofo wano any president the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association no Trusam na committee asempo se do yonko esa wo won ka se do yonko neta wo nti no se won timi ensure manfo na won ye de wakwa ho sa ho nsam nsi ye wa bra wan kasa so no wa na mo ya wogina so no entimi enyina ye na ebeyin himti no ne awoye ye no enya amanyosem yenkwa homa no so na ye ne labor expert eba pa apade ho sensem yenkwamra odimu atintima wontimi nyina kwa enfrefri mu yewura Abraham Yale ewo ahoma no so yewura woti yenkan ya de wase amo aho so mpa so ne
madam wase ba we dey bon punch the back there will be background noise but ebeboa let's do it
background no eyama ye na we dey tiawa na ye njawo atadufo we na Ghana fo ati asempa ne nurse fo ne midwives or call strike no wo mu kire se ne wato agu wo de akonkon wo sanse wo hwe parliament ya bedweko ya wonu hwe apomden so no yera doctor you are free ye ranking member wone ne dom ene omu ehia wo kokwam ensempa bi ato asom nte no waje mu de obetimi akade afa ho
I'm saying ya something said ya to process President Kufuor ka say we know how to bring the economy back, but I don't know how to bring human beings back. Said the people who are getting from back. It is a more color of the striker. For me, I am no answer. I don't know. Or say, Yabo Mabaso, and a more year mediation, so Yabo Mabaso. At least being able to at least save lives in the future. The more work on it, the more we there's nothing we can do about it. But I think they're going forward, and the parties must go back to the drawing table, the negotiation table. Whatever integrations that they need to do, and they should they should dot the I's and cross the T's. They move the way forward. So I think that is the way to go because when you ban phone calls, so I say, oh yeah, so we are. You say we are won't be able. It won't trust that. It means the problem is not there. So it's a resolve problem. And you say to say I show no but the phone here. So we need to still go back to the table. The issues are still not resolved. They are resolving issues, you know. So I think about a more quality of the strike for now. I have some there.
Okay. Where the me do see I send watch ye mo asina me didi say wo hwa hwan pa na wose wo to anamon na fa futu o mani pakro ni titru ma ye because o mo so o ma suspend won man ka so o ma jemu na say de o ka twa to no right rampofo president de ma wonom no wa kyerese de wonom hwehwe ne de ko sisem panyufo be ya ma wonom no enya ade a wonom so beto o mo bo ase won sem bi ho e was finance ministry ho announce head ministry ho and e was some keka wonom ho emre ya ye ka say
Bonibeka it takes to tango. What you say, no baba and in a baba. And in the negotiation, we don't take position. So see, the parties have taken and trend position. Abana say, Minister, that's say, for me, no, they should go back to negotiation table. No one can have now, for me, there's not a competition. Now, Abana for me to be proactive. On one more year. Now, Abana assemble a very good team to negotiate. When you be now to be negotiated, the fact that the president doesn't mean he can know how to negotiate. You see, you have people who are to negotiate. Therefore, you have those people don't expect to lead the negotiation. And you never know but if a minister goes for his bluff from the people, and any doctors are young for that. We are all children people, for school. They know what is left, what is good and what is bad. And she abandoned to tone down. I mean, the body language of the negotiators also plays a role in negotiation. Because negotiation chemistry and yet simple.
Yero me na senior fa we see asene ya da sene se wanya adaje de ama ya wie.
And I mean that you for something.
Abusia ye dua be ma ya de nyina ye Abraham ono eba apade ho nsensem ho a wahye akwadale wo mu ena wo che se ye fupa wo ni ye mfa nhyan aben kwahye ade afani nyina sika ena ye de yonti no wo mu hwe panyifo no na nurses ne midwives no wapɛde ya wɔpɛ no pani sɛ ɛfata na ketua nti wɔhwɛ na wɔfa mom na nneɛma nyina so ensiye ɛwɔ kwa ho san ɛkwan so ɛwɔ Ghana fo afem
yegusu gyina mu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ apomuden ɛnkomo mu na ukopie mu ɛwɔ manso nkran yɛ ɛwɔ Amansia South bɛnsi no mu ɛwɔ Asantemantam mu a wɔn a wɔhɔ deɛ wɔn so wɔn yɛ adwuma nanso adwuma a wɔn yɛ no wɔn nhyɛ da nhunu wɔn ho ano sanse biaya a wɔn te yɛ a wɔn yɛ adwuma wɔ hɔ no ɛhaw bebree ɛna wɔn kɔmu titiri pa ne anɛsefoɔ yɛ wɔn pɔtam hɔ no baabi a wɔn de wɔn ti bɛto ayɛ asɛm na sɛ obi a wɔyɛ adwuma agye nkwa na wɔn ankasa mu wɔde ne nkwa ato asaneɛ mu a na kyerɛ sɛ wɔkɔɔ yɛ anaase wɔ baayɛ panin a wɔne sompa nsɛntwerɛfoɔ ɛbɔ nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ mpɔtam hɔ ɛyɛ maame Rita Ishan wɔno ɛna yɛ nursing officer ɛwɔ mpɔtam hɔ no wɔkyerɛ sɛ hwɛ ni awoni komu ewo mpatam ho no enye ebini na woni totɔ de asrɛ woni ekabie wo mu nyina titiri pa ne kwame aban sɛ saban amam na wa meboa ama baabi a wono te ne edi kan anko yi a ene ahwe yi asam na beto wan ne etoso mienu bia ye krampo a woni te ye a won ye adwuma no woni wo haw bebre na won di nsensei ene to yanim
bia ye adwuma wa ha 12 years ni ade afili ne ti ane ti na ye mo adwuma ni and I have to necessary. The baby na community one. I can't say yet. I was said to be a Juma has 12 years in it. Said they are facility in the piano. Hanet here. The Ebene say a diner a young Juma, a mususa. And I have to say about fancy and necessary quarter. Your baby in Sana. What's enough community in one? I can't say yet. I was said yes to be area. Obashan and but yenya a dining bureau facility in China and a betting it is in the air to come. Ana, yen try any security. It will be the flow to come at the back facility na a move. It has a risk involved no and also a high. And I think so, yeah, maternity room where I be a delivery no. Bed in a back of it. Because I want you be unpredicted. 10 days to me back. And the idea can see here your facility and your renovation. I have been inside your own home. Winina mane memani na adebo yesre we di yesre aban se wa mamu a ne akoniye na wo wie ye pe na assembly member ya wo manson kran abato mpeso ya ne so ho no Joseph Antwi wono so de kakra eto aso ene wo kire ne sei baby ejine female ward and komusi ama community na dia support in old clinic e wa say ichi eni ko hwa otim say we ni semfata sen ko ati ni die kura maye enam say enti no entimi amaso na ya na ebusi on say die enti na mpuntu aboye sa eti bibi ti say health center ayeken tabli komo biem akaba ha say anka otu oni otim say we dey friend say we na friend say aprofon sa no yanso yehu bi sa mpuntu aboye too much ama say na ye nam ha nyina na yehu ni say sa clinic we anka betimi support community be 12 na anka etimi ama agrosum pressure ne so atikakra no say wo ba ha say ni pa kakra bi wo de wura okra se befem we ne e ma ne dance say ni mine company na wa ha say na emwa na wo say ensaka no yensa nka as community people. Assembly member ya wa manson krayera Joseph Antwi ne nkomo kakra no no Omampanyi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Edia Tuja ya wo kiremu ese na banyi ariata so pa se eba ensuo ni ahonidie dia enkonkoye ohaw kese emfa ma omanfo a ewo dagbon ene ne mpotemu ewo mentifi do mantemu wo se emfie bebrebi atwemu no na ade ba ko a wo mu esu won potemu ho ya asomdwie na so onyame aboa ma asomdwie yi niti won potemu ho dia na ebrewie du se mpuntu nso no eto aso pepepe ewo honom enti eniema bi ti se ensuo ya omanfo betimi anom ye ho tie wo mode bedi dwuma akwan papa schools ahodo ayasabia ye bebo omanfo apomdi won potemu ni nyuma de wo behwese ebebusu se chapo ewo dagbon ene ne mpotem wode nsem we nyina to dwa ene wabra dagbon wura ya na Abukari Mahama ya wotoso mienu ene na pamfo etia omampani nan so ewatena yekasiem.
The people of Dagbon have waited long for peace, and so now they deserve progress and development. The time for promises has passed. What we must now deliver is results. Our people deserve water, roads, schools, clinics, and jobs. The northern region cannot remain a symbol of poverty while being a source of national pride. To this end, the Community Infrastructure Development Fund, launched in 2025, will finance water and sanitation projects in 50 underserved communities in Dagbon. These include Patinga, Lungni, Nakwanduri, while small town water systems are planned for Willensi and Bimbilan. The Yendi water supply system will also be executed. We have been offered funds by the European Union to execute the Yendi water supply system and also the Tamale water expansion project. And then also under that project, it also includes Damango. The Savannah region is going to benefit from.
Onipa yetini ni sesiye eye omampenyi His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na wono ekasawie ye no ena yana Abukari Mahama wotosu mieno ya oye dagbon overload no ne kasamafo Dr. Jacob Mahama ensu ejinemu eda womampenyi ase papa se wetimi aboa cheche niyomamu ene niyamapa wase wobabe mentifi domantem ho enye no nko a wase aben eba ye ka government appointees a ekwan omampani din hihya hudu egu akwemu ebeboa amagidi omanfo ahwere ewo aban wo ma appointees mu no asan ba no wo se yade bi esese ye bo omampani abaso.
The introduction of the Code of Conduct for Appointees is another landmark achievement that sets a new standard for transparency and accountability in our nation's governance. Establishing clear guidelines and expectations for appointees, you have taken a crucial step towards restoring public trust and ensuring that those who serve in your government do so with integrity, professionalism, and a deep commitment to the welfare of Ghanaians. This initiative sends a powerful message about your administrative values and its determination to lead by example. Furthermore, the National Economic Dialogue and National Education Dialogue are shining examples of your commitment to inclusive decision-making. By bringing together experts, stakeholders, and citizens from diverse backgrounds, you have created a platform for constructive debates, idea sharing, and collective problem solving. Together with us, the traditional leaders in Ghana, we can build a brighter future for Ghana where our citizens thrive and reach their full potential.
Eni ekotie yeyi eye Dr. Jacob Mahama wono ena ejina dagbon overlord yana Abukari Mahama wotosu mienu anemu ekasai.
Afeyen kwa santimantemu yenu beba kwa miredu ojina homa no so yenya ntie so monyan fari kopoku ya wono wode wani kiremu ewo emfudie kuayo ho nsem so a eni nuane eyade a wono ne mansoafo a wotua no ewo hasedom wobontoa ewo asantimantem kwa me wote yanka ma han
aye majo so a
na wona muti se medafo
nyankopa do me ya pa
on monyan fari kopoku yenya ntie se wo bontoa ewo asantimantem sen ena ne emesitie ho
Unya ba mami na wasu ene sabu ya mini kace yene unya ko ekopoku onne kwe Ghana ye pe ye ho se bi ame se ne ku nti bi ho se na so na sabu ro pi asantimante na wo kaya e bra debate sa no ye president addition no that is so bo apro ko ata na ja ba bi biara e kwe tem bi hu e su ku wa mo e na ku ama enei na wetu a no dia ba santimante me titiri ye me ya no ba ye na adepotia ejina so ba ko pa ayese ya ji ta gibe ma no na ekaso ba na sabi ya ni hu abatibuga na wo si bi tram se godi ya jasa no sanu e hu se ma santimante ni na ka ho no obetini ayesira no na fi wa mene mo na fi wa bona ba ba si de be ya godi a ekutani no obetini aye na enam so ma obedu ha no edi kan ya no petutu no na woni se yade ti se wo bere kakra ansa na wetumi aba ne nkyɛn na woni be bedin ko me kese wo me hia de na so ana pe no bedu ha no ade a wodi nani ekyɛ kaafe na kaafe ko du ho na je se ankwan ko adwumedie bi a saa be no pani bi a ye yadof a wo ye saa adwumedie bi ade aboa tiaru sam titiri eye feeding feed bi a pani esi wo dan kakra me che factory kase pa wo kaafe a egusu eye wo du se de be ye beboa emma enkokɔ ene nnuane ma ahodo a wo mu ye di nnuane ahodo a ye di feed wo mo o so nsebetumi akadi na efido mo ade ama wo mu nkokɔ ene amumu ahodo a ayemu ahodo a ewo asantimante ni fa no otani adof adakwa yi ayo bi a odwan kase nam ne nsa so eye saa factory kakra na numu ana yewa ikotoku edi kan akɔye no ko se factory tibititie ene ni kesu anse ni fresh tibititie ina cheche se de titie ene ntino me kase de ye bedu be hia na so wonni bi nkwa yewa ado fe di nkomo no na fresh tibititie na yenkodi mfete se de yewa ado edi kan ebe se mi tu n'anim ene ekiri ni yewu tuku so de no so kafa ho eti yentire se de a yewa ado edi kan edi tu da
to say because we have a shot here every so we know a part to the Obia would be a soya. I walk in Europe. The high process soya. The process soya now. Being a soya oil. Near saying I now about a house soya, one of the ingredients in this soya. So the but data although maybe I will be a more feeding fee. I will a sentiment to me. You are a Kutuku or also a Yahoo and Sam Sarfo. Or also a Bonabasso and media. You did what they are who come to media and also a bit about you are a cancer. Also a Bonabasso, my YouTube also a kind. Support to be a was a Yosia now Saka. Neg media kamano ye no ben share na abanye timi atawachi ye ma support ama adwuma na timi ayede ayeye na ye wie bibia ye do mampanyi na ba ha na wabebia no kama ama Ghana fo nyina hu private sector no mo contribution amoye se be ya oman no ebegyina ye ye da wase ye da mu nyina nso ase ye sema ye Kutuku no so ke ye video no ye kre ho kan so odi tuja no nyina mu kwata no Sabi wada de do ya Kenya afi na woni etudi enkomo na wi ya Asia no na le kwa mu kra no ifi ha no so woni kan play this year na fi the career na so mo oba ya continent no asade ato concentration ni sabi de you be so ya no ya Kenya and no so no concentration to the question the dia no ya ma amafa ati ya tuku dia na so woni ba continent no
Kwame Redu ma yana wase ene wa mane bo abusia yewra onmonyafo Agric Minister Eric Opoku ena yekọ ekotie no wono kro ya wode wani kiremo ewo eye esunafo South abato mpesua so wa afomantam a wone ne wo mra hye bedwane asante mantam nto abono emu amane bo ene nkrato ena wotie yi
enrada ena empani eden nkrata aba montre so ya na National Communication Authority womo ene krata tenten be page no mienu ne ne wachire kura wan chese radio stations be se adiosia enan womo dwumade bi ya ekoso e wo man no mu no ene emra e bata dwumade ne ho no emfa ntino wono twetwen won nyina sensan ye ama enam so ekopie krampo e wo mra hyebedwam ama onimnyamfo Sam na te George ekokasa wo ho ni nyina mu no mampani akasankasa nso edna no tumo bi kire se we die ebeyanka yemo mbese bosome baako 30 days na wo fanse som ne manyina na se sabre ne duru ho na se wo ma ntimi dia na afi se ne yo se atwe aba won so ne atwe sa aba no eno nso achi ema minority in parliament wo mo krampo de ba no den eye orumnyamfo Alexander afanya marking krampo na no tum bi kire se sa na mo ya mampani atu krampo no we eye dada akra eye kenken kwa esanse wono ankasa mpo no ne wase woye na wanye ene waja to am na bedu ba bia o se edri eno nam so ama Ghana Journalists Association enso de krata tenten aba ya wono chese mampani share wa ya de papa sanse saadie ya mampani edna no atomobie se radio stations makoma kwa diosia 9 yen sanfo bia di bia ma no ne ya ma ne be se bosome ba ko no fa nse ne ma nyina yie no eye we nyina ka press freedom ya ka ho asem e wo man no mu ene wiase nyina no we nyina ka ho no bie na anamo mampani atu no Ghana Journalists Association kire se ebeboa pa afei wasan so de afutuo kese pa e de ma stations ahodo nyina se sabre de ya mo kwan kakra o munye ne mo betumi bia se ne be ya boswe ba ko ne beduru ho no na ne wasam ye no matimi aye wosi ha achia Ghana fo pi e de asedakase e de ma eye Ghana mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra Premto Brekasi bo ena yedaso aye kenkan edema mo yeko ensemfofro emu akwensafo nkabom ku e wo Ghana ha Drunkards Association of Ghana womo akantama dinsie sa aban ahwe no wantetetete ensabo eso okrom ha womo beti atua papa enye asem kuma na eno no womanfo asie na akwensafo so de muti atua ma ne yeye wo kwan ben so eno wo se si ansa no wo muntumi nto wo muntumi nto ne boa ye den ya enya sem kuma no wo mpese wo mbetena se aye nhwe han ama saa enuoma no akoso wo manim no wo se so wo manfo dwen se wo hu hia wo krom ha wo ntinsi monte so wo kohwe wo a wo bie ba ene bia ya ye nonom nsa akwakoye adwuma kese dia mo manfo dodo no a na so wo bufu no wo ka sensa no wo nnum bie mu a ehon wo mehu so wo manfo nhwere wo adwuma wo krom ha ene wo mankasa ene ebe kire na panyiri ya woda ekuo no ano eye Moses dry bone wono na ne so mpaka se eye nana ya oboama ade ache bia adwumadie so ewo so mpa 93.1 FM okumase etwetwe nkomo a wode saa enchiremu yi etu dwa ene wo se ye ka sei wo members no ye beye 6.6 million womo nom nsanko a wokrom ha no no enti so womo kase womo ti atua na nsa no womo num biem a ehɔ no womanfo bɛte
Amo yatoso transportation yatoso goods and services gbogbo ha yatoso with the exception of ensa anything the people call abemu say anka omunchena tax pawudo na omudi ato ensa so anka at least omema na ba from ana omehwe kwa mefa to a raw materials mpo anka your import a ye de ensa udon e wo Ghana anka omehwe na oma atete sa taxes no either importation of raw materials bayan san bro so be ba from kakra nine but unfortunately san no nyina de china so kwa to anka pima na yeti so fa me no kase apete sikura pro two apete 1 to say eko 7 cities and first 3 cities the same nti yenyi empeni for your pro and then anopo ye yense nchofo nshi na ye bi wonsam di atudwa ama company say ye manipulate so obeniti and this the association ye was 16.65 million members ye no to your work.
Moses dry bone ene president Emma Drunkers Association of Ghana ne edi yukoti yi
afeye nramwen ewo omen yesika sem sebeye betimi ejra ne na so pemi ama bibia so etimi akoye di ama yen na wohwe IMF wa Metro International Monetary Fund no wonom eye adwumaku anase ko bia eba fotofo mu a wonum edi mpim wom ene ye Ghana na se wiase mai bia bebia no wa ho bekwa ho ye hia mu no edro pentia woni so womanim ene ya edro enche ye ena Ghana hafo yetimi dwane kwoto a wonom se womo ye esanse ye ho no eyade a ye pa ye hu yasene mu ene ye botokran po achese kita ye no kra no ye de hyem kran po ye hu anu ntene sikasam no wonom entimi amoa ye entwetwa anye ye dia wanhwe a adi ene beye ye na wonom so ye mu abia ma ye kasa ne sika no wonom de aba ama Ghana city no pepe ye nam die etimi agyina ne naso ama ne ma bo krampo ahyase ye a eba fom na no enodom kuma no ene Ghana fo bi kyese wo hwe yi levy ya ban we se ba yo be free ho na wadi di levy eba be sha nam ni nyina no ene se ya ho de ne ye aso ye ho no eyade a ene ma atoto ape wo ho na eketwitwiri di nso so a egu wonom so no enya asem ke 27 ya obetimi yi saka no ama sa so ye ho emu ada ho ama dwumadie ne bibia etimi akoye nte no ena aban ne se fam go bia da obetobia no 1 liter what 1 Ghana cedi de free mu na no eye to a wo bia obekwa akoto fam go no obetimi akwa akotua e de ama aban no sebe ya no so no papa so pa wo so nyina no modern ye mu ntia Ghana yenka ne ya ho nsem no ebetimi afa ne ntampa de fra edom kuma no sori ya wose wati kwa mu no enu nti wo monte sa asem wese bi da no epanyinfo atwotro Royal International Monetary Fund wonom so atwa ni mu no wonom ababonte de nsembode abasobode so no kokora ene de ma banyi se sana moto 1 cedi 1 liter petroleum anase bia diesel bi ya obeto water free mu no eye kwampa ya wo fa so wase wei eye ketewa bi enu ti ye te okura wo nhye da hu na so tiatia we no ena ebotoa enti wogidi sese a 1 Ghana cedi we no ebetimi abo akwanu asanyina so ama Ghana yanyina mahoden aso eye ene katwitwiri de ya egu yeso no enkakran yetimi ayi ede afiri wo enti omo se yento mu a na Ghana fo nso emo abanyi tidom na wonye saato we ya ode abanentum se de be ya yanyina no ye ho betimi atoye na yanyakane a yasetena mu no so no eniema etimi akoye ede amaye
uguso ya wutie SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra ye ne yenkrabata hodo ye wo mayi mu abefo ntentan fidie ne so ena fe nkrofo kroso ewa amono ni nyina ɛna ugusu ya wutie secure sanitary pad kasebo ɛno ɛwɔ ɛyɛ fidie yi ɛso na hyɛ no nsoma me sɛ secure sanitary pad no ɛno ɛna asɔ yasene sabre yɛ ɛne sɛ oba wubu wonsa na sɛ amoasene no a wode mu asene no anaasɛ wonsa buo no mu no wanya de papa bi anaasɛ ade ɛbɛkorakora wo ɛwɔ wo maaye no mu a ɛyɛ na ɛha dwene paa esan sɛ ubewie no na afi waka dem wa ya amelia na ahyɛ dem saa nso na wo nnwuma yɛ sɛ wokodie ɛno nti na mekanfo secure sanitary pad ɛde ama wo ɛno de etimi kurakura wo etimi ɛnonom mogya ne nyinaa kama na afi nso asan so wakurakura wo maa no mu no ɔho wo maa yɛ no mu no ɛkurakura no ama ne yɛse moton fɛfɛɛfɛ monkyene na bibia timi ayɛ fine ɛno nti da bia sɛ nanaba na wɔba begunsa wɔde anigye ba na wɔde anigye nso apie na bibia timi ayɛ fine we no yɛnko a yɛde bo ato so ɛna yɛakyerɛ sɛ okɔ a ɛyɛ atɔne sei enti ɛyɛ tanga na CDC pɛ okɔ a yɛ 10 baabi a yɛ 10 asante mantam mu baabi a wopɛ bi atɔ no ɛyɛ Mama Excellent Cosmetics ɛhɔ ɛna wobɛnya bi atɔ sɛ wopɛ ne baako ana wopɛ ne dodoɔ mu no ɛyɛ ana wafrɛ no ɛwɔ 0243 862 158 0243 862 158 channel so say owo Edum PZ and afi kwada so estate taxi rank ho no ano old Asempa lane no ho Asempa pharmacy lane no ho no ehwa edu obutuo afi endpoint homeopathy clinic me say endpoint no yade ba wo ba bedo benada eno kire say so do ani kirem ewo endpoint homeopathy clinic na okoja yare hwe papa sa woni oba ekwa akwantuo ba ko na beja no kwan mu de sa de ne yemfe emfa mmobra kora eno nti udu endpoint e behwe wo na yi ni nyina e de afiri ho ena afei so prostate e wo mema mu no yi ni nyina e de firi ho untini no mu ne mu asisi ne man koyie wasabo obrabo no mu oha obi wo ho mepacho obra na ye moa ye physiotherapy wo ho massaging enso eya adwuma pa e wo ho yaso ye no e won kran ha ya Spinters Road Shell signboard ho ne ebutuo e na odu asante mantam nso a kronoma bo hia e ho nso ebutuo Dr. Adubu atia odaya no osi se bibi ti wadwe na person ne bon koma afre no e wo 0244 867 068 and afi 0274 234 321 obaje so na ne wuhia bia no wono so e de asombo kama pa wenu madawrement ya wiei me ntwa ho simamra ye ba kase na etu aso
Kweku minim se why she me cry man nane now so ebony show one baso
male hon sepeno Ebony condoms comes in different flavors and available in all pharmacies, chemical shops, over-the-counter shops and pubs. For bulk purchases contact 055-230-0075. Ebony condoms, Ghana's most pleasurable condoms. Make it worth it.
We got peppermints, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. We got peppermints, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate.
It only the view is a condom. The condom mulia then it's not on, but it also got as a condom.
Endpoint homeopathy clinic Ghana had the obi anim sɛ ye prostate na baby omutibi ye screening ema hu ni ye etu ase a na ye endpoint homeopathy clinic anase ye kidney ye liver problem ho fa baby na adwodwo na de fa ne premature ejaculation no a ba ma bi a wo ne wodofo akwakwahia ase wo di ne ho agro ase wo to nte ene ye bra endpoint homeopathy clinic na ye moa wo ema ne mema mo pa wo ye endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mo dem fua yare bia infections bi ne wo ho anase bia wo hwa wo fa baby na adwodwo kidney problem prostate de endpoint homeopathy clinic kuma se ubehu endpoint homeopathy clinic ewo kronoma bohia ena akra hanso so de wo mo gina mu ankasa ewo Spinters bebre friend share signboard no huduro na ubusasa wo pe endpoint homeopathy clinic a obia ebechiro for endpoint ewo 0244867068 ena 0274234321 endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mo dem fo medo edrano pa wotimi to wo boase etwitwi wo si o do na so nim se me de Yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi me sima me nya homka same thing na ye bokoi na me de me all time favorite Yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me ama sesei menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia me sem fimfim me biem na wo hwasa me se aye fita sasrecha homa na et brightens Yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese enti na wo se efe na Yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ni de ebo wo se ho ban demu ni nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes, enu krotrodo Yas herbal, Yas whitening and Yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush abusuan chamfa se wo pedudu tu e won kan ha for Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050-161-9588 Leicester Ghana Limited and the Yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwa so abeboy
munde dinam se menya foreign call. Hello papa what do be any o se me feel London eko US o na no kra do kura fra me boma mania na papa mo ho te sei awurade aduma haboko na ko jejesi eko ba sempene mo de woton adanse ho niam no nso wo hye ho de wo hye ho eko ba mesi wo boduma kra sre kane no a na wodru US won so manfo bondin sa na papa US hakura de na ko jejesi company limited agi ba bia wo Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. Eba adanse ho niam dia obia se na ko jejesi company limited na matese wo bi depo kasie bi e wo kasoa e ho na wo bia koto adanse ho niam na eye no kura papa no kura pa a police station in Chenhwa akuo ba sempre mo no onye mereda hwe we kura no miensa mua e na obi enfoforo ya o ba ko obu akwase paase kumase e ba ko so pokua se nkran ha obia se na kodojesi eye bemaba e wa dansi mu oton cement iron rods banding wires and adua plywood and just said about dance roll to say bibia e de hye adansi ase de ko wie depo no nyina nso eye tufo bo wodu kuka mu a wodu koja free akra wuyi kaso depo ene pokua se de no kra to nchen a wosa wobu akoteman tantra hill iron city amanfrom wosa bie depo kase so e wo koshiman kumase sepase depo no kra da nchen a ebisu magazine road head office no wo bie depo kase so e wo da de ntam edwesu Accra road from opposite Alaji Celia and Papa Meboshen Tanoso Breman and Amanfrum numbers of man for the free 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 Nana Kujesi Company Limited. Kuaba Simprimo no.